Welcome to this e-module. I am Ms. Emma Fernandez, Assistant Professor in Botany, Tempe College of Arts and Science. This program is designed for the students of Bachelor of Science first year for the subject of Botany, Semester 2, course code BOG 102. Title of this course is Coastal Mangrove Ecology. The title of this unit is Biology of Mangroves. Module name Temporal and Regional Variations in Relation to Taxonomy. In this module, we are going to learn classification of mangroves and some problems in mangrove taxonomy. At the end of this e-module, the student will classify mangroves according to Tomlinson's classification, differentiate between various types of mangroves, and recognize problems in mangrove taxonomy. Mangroves are woody plants that grow at the interface of land and sea in tropical as well as subtropical regions. As you can see in this picture, the green marks over here mark the presence of mangrove ecosystem. They exist in conditions such as high salinity, extreme tides, strong winds, high temperatures, muddy and anaerobic soils. Mangrove plants, along with its associate microbes, fungi, plants, and animals, constitute the mangrove forest community or mangle. Mangle, along with the associated abiotic factors, make up the mangrove ecosystem. Mangrove community comprises plants belonging to many different genera and families, many of which are not closely related to one another phylogenetically. But what they do have in common is a variety of adaptations such as morphological, physiological, and reproductive adaptations that enable them to grow in a particular kind of rather unstable and difficult environment. In 1986, Tomlinson classified three groups of mangroves, namely major mangrove species, minor mangrove species, and mangrove associates. Let us learn about the first group of mangroves, that is major mangroves, or also called as through mangroves. Through mangroves are found in intertidal or tidal saline zones of the river. They grow spontaneously and propagate naturally within these tidal influence zones and saline habitats, as you can see in this picture. These group of mangroves have developed several types of unique aerial or above ground root systems, which are associated with gas exchange or may perform the functions like root zone respiration mechanism in these anoxic or anaerobic soil. Such soils are lacking in oxygen. These mangrove species have also possessed special mechanism of overcoming the high salinity, namely their interaction on salty environment by salt exclusion, salt excretion, and salt accumulation. In this group of mangroves, the seed germination is of two types, viviparous and cryptoviviparous. In viviparous seed germination, the seedling germinates while it is attached to the parent plant. And cryptoviviparous is a type of seed germination wherein the embryo germinates inside by breaking the seed coat before the fruit coat is been split open. Along with this seed germination, seedling developmental stages distinguish these mangroves of the intertidal saline zones from the non-saline habitat flora or non-littoral species. Non-littoral species are the ones which grow away from the shore. Now, examples of these true mangroves or major mangroves are Sonoratia alba, Avicennia marina, and Rhizophora mucronata. These are only few examples. There are much more examples. Next group of mangroves is minor mangroves. The minor mangrove species are less conspicuous elements of the vegetation and rarely form pure stains. Less conspicuous meaning less noticeable. Unlike the true mangroves, minor mangroves generally do not form any pure community, though these species mostly grow in the peripheral habitats of the true mangroves. A few of these minor mangroves may form special types of aerial roots and significant viviparous germination, but they may not be their characteristic feature. These are distinct or different from the ones which are seen in major mangroves. Examples of these minor mangroves are Xylocarpus, Excoecaria, Aegiceras, Scyphiphora, and Heritiera. Now let us come to mangrove associates. A large group of helophytic angiosperm flora and few others commonly grow in the intertidal saline habitats, but these are very distinct from the major mangroves as well as the minor mangroves. Examples of such plants are Caesalpinia, Dalbergia, Daris, Hibiscus, and Thespacia. In 1986, Tomlinson recorded 54 mangrove species, 20 genera, and 16 families. On the other hand, Duke in 1992 identified 69 mangrove species, 26 genera, and 20 families. By reconciling common features from Tomlinson and Duke, we came to a number which represents 65 mangrove species, 22 genera, and 16 families as a whole. Now let us learn about problems which are faced in mangrove taxonomy. There are many problems which are found in mangrove taxonomy. Some of them are listed below. There are two species which are endemic to India and which are restricted to the east coast of India. They are Rhizophora x anamalayana and Heriteria canicensis. There is Acrosticum species which are poorly identified by the taxonomists. Acanthus ilicifolius is not clearly identified from Acanthus ebracteatus. Most of the problems with mangrove taxonomy are based on natural hybridization between Rhizophora species. For example, Rhizophora x anamalayana, found in the South Indian mangrove forest, was first identified as Rhizophora lamacae, but has since been re-identified as a new species hybrid between Rhizophora mucronata and Rhizophora apiculata. In order to resolve these taxonomical problems of mangroves, molecular analysis like DNA sequencing may eventually help. Other problems in mangrove taxonomy are several workers have reported different number of mangrove species. This variation is because of the fact that the workers still have confusion between the species of true mangroves and mangrove associates. To avoid this confusion, a general agreement of mangrove species has to be arrived at among the mangrove taxonomists by deciding which are the species to be included in the list of mangroves and verifying the name of each taxon. These are the references. Thank you.